Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Dan, you know me. We're going to talk again about my journey. And so the last episode of my journey, I talked about starting the YouTube channel because of COVID. And actually, I realized when I went back and looking at that's actually I started my YouTube channel before COVID. However, in the beginning when COVID happened, there's a whole bunch of things going on in my practice I had to manage. After that, that's kind of when I began to do more and more videos as we began to open up a little bit. What I mean by that is we began to be able to do surgery again, able to do elective surgery again. That's really when I started to kind of get more comfortable and get more videos. My first video is from 2019. And if you look at it, if you look on the YouTube channel, go all the way back to the beginning, you'll be able to see it. It's not so great. I was very nervous. I used my camera on my phone in a previous generation of the iPhone, so the quality's not great. I said there was 3 things that the shoulder pain could be, and I could only remember 2 of the things, so that's not very good either. So I made the video. And then I incorporated my son. My oldest son is in music, but also in videos. I've teamed up with him, and actually every video thus far has been from him and I. I make the video, I load it up onto Google Drive, and then he downloads it from Google Drive onto his computer, does some fancy stuff. Thank you, Eli, that's my son. I do some fancy stuff, and then loads it back up into the finished product, and then I download it into my computer. Then I put it back up onto YouTube. After a little while, we decided that that the thumbnails, which is a picture, we got to do a better job on that, because the first bunch of them are just a plain old thumbnail, which before I knew the thumbnail really mattered. And then you can see he put little music in there and adds little funny things. And typically he asks me because he doesn't know if it's funny for my audience or not, but most of the time it's pretty funny, even if it's making fun of me. Now we have about 90 videos, and so that's pretty cool. I'm going to keep on making them, right? I mean, making this one, I'm going to make more of a content specific question in next video. Next video we'll load up will be a content video on we have a few things in the bike. I got a couple people who made some recommendations, so that's great. So if you have any recommendations of what video you'd want me to make, please put them in there. I'm trying my best to not forget, write it down so I can make another video. Also, remember to subscribe, and I'm going to tell you a story about subscribe in just a second. Remember to subscribe, remember to like the channel, remember to watch the videos, share it with your friends who are going through shoulder surgery. That's, again, as you know from the first video, that's kind of why this is here, is because I think it's really hard to go through shoulder surgery on your own. And so we want to make sure we can help people the best we can. And a lot of the information that I share on the YouTube channel is not really new information. It's just information packaged in a different way, hopefully in a more easy to take in, assimilate way. Subscribers to a YouTube channel, if you get 1,000 subscribers, to your YouTube channel, you can actually start to monetize it. So essentially what happens is, YouTube has this algorithm. You get to 1,000, and then even before you get to 1,000, they put ads on there. So the ads that are on YouTube don't necessarily have anything to do with me having 1,000 subscribers. It has to do with, that's how YouTube makes their money. But anyway, so if you get to 1,000 subscribers, you can begin to monetize your channel, which I think was pretty awesome, because I was actually obviously paying my son some amount of money to produce those videos, to put the words and music together. And so it would be great if I could break even. And so I thought, great, we'll monetize, and then we'll build up, and maybe it'll be worthwhile, and then he can work his way through college, because that's what he's doing now, and he'll have more money because he's going to do my videos. He could just offset it with whatever I make for my monetization. Well, it is true. When you get to 1,000 subscribers, which takes a long time, I can tell you that. I reached 1,000 subscribers in the very beginning of 2021. So I started putting videos out in 2019, and in 2021, I got to 1,000 subscribers. Oh, it was 2022. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, it was beginning of this year, 2022. So that's even worse. So that's 3 years. But anyway, I was super excited. In the first days, it kind of went up and down and up and down, and then it kind of leveled off at about $3. a day. $3 a day is times 30 is $90 a month. I pay my son $200 a month to produce the videos. So I'm still not losing, I'm still not making money, losing money, but that's okay. Again, this is not about really a money-making thing. It's really about a value thing. And if I provide value and I make some money, that's great. But this is about providing value to my patients, providing value to other people beyond my reach in the personal setting. A bit disappointing with the $90 a month. I thought we were going to be making a little bit more, but it is what it is. So that's a really good learning thing for me. And I continue to add subscribers. So thank you for subscribing if you have. Please do if you haven't. I'm about 3,000 subscribers now, so that's cool. I'd like to get to 5, 10, 100,000. I don't know. We'll see. At this point, the YouTube channel has been working pretty well, but I've learned that the YouTube channel is not really all that you need to do. Just like I said, nor is the website all that you need to do. So there's things that you need to do to magnify your YouTube channel, to magnify your website, to get your message out to people. And I'm going to talk about that next time, about how to get the message out and what we're doing now and what we're going to do in the future to try and keep this going and keep serving people, because that's really what it is. It's about serving people. I wrote this quote down the other day when I was kind of in my be still mode. And what came to me was, who can I serve and how can I serve them, right? And that's what this is about. So who can I serve? How can I serve them? Certainly the YouTube community and how that's working for us. Thank you so much for everybody who takes the time to comment, say thank you for the videos. I appreciate that. We'll keep going with it until no one wants to see anymore. My journey, part 3, starts a little bit long. I'm sure Eli will chop it up so it's a little bit more efficient. It won't be as long as the raw recording is, but we'll see you next time. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Eli. I'm the editor for this channel, so I edit all the Rotator Cuff Expert videos and make all the thumbnails and all that good stuff. I'm very thankful that I get to work on these videos for you guys. It's a lot of fun. I have a great time doing it, and the little extra money never hurts. But yeah, that's about it. I don't really have anything interesting to add. I just wanted to put a face to the omnipresent editor that's like hiding in the shadows in every video. Please like and comment on the video, subscribe to the Rotator Cuff Expert, hit the little bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Please go like our Facebook page. If you go to the website, www.shoulderprotector, I'll put it here or somewhere because I'm a bad son and I don't remember the name. But thank you so much for watching. We both really appreciate every single one of you that has supported us from the beginning of this channel, and it's just onwards and upwards from here.